This month we're looking at 212 by Azealia Banks featuring Lazy J. First of all, put the drum beat pattern in like this. You'll notice that it doesn't have that skip. It doesn't really have the groove of 212. But if we go into the quantize panel, we can adjust the swing amount until we get the right type of swing. About 58% sounds good here. For the lead, we'll start with an F sharp 1 note and slightly less swing on the quantize, say about 50%. Apply that, and one technique is to draw in just one big long note for the bar, and then to make cuts where each next note will come in, like this. Okay, let's look at the patch. Using Massive, we're going to start a new sound, which is just a sawtooth, and we'll detune two oscillators apart from each other by 10 cents in either direction. Now on the voicing page, we'll make sure that the voices are set to monophone mode, and the filter we'll put on low pass 4 with minimum resonance and cutoff. Instead, we'll use the envelope 4 handle to control the cutoff. Probably push that up to the maximum. And editing envelope 4, we'll put the decay level all the way down to the bottom. The attack needs to be just past 9 o'clock, about 9-10 o'clock. And the decay between 10 and 11. Once we've got that basic shape, let's look at the tone. On Massive's EQ, we have a high shelf which we can push all the way to the top, and a low shelf which we can reduce some of the mud with, like so. Let's also add a bit of reverb. Definitely don't want so much reverb. We'll reduce the mix a bit and scroll through some presets until we find a nice one. Okay. Next, we'll want to be able to control the pitch. Clear macro number 1. Drag macro number 1's control handle into the modulation slots for oscillators 1 and 2's pitches, and increase the amount to 29 semitones. Now right click on the macro and pick Midi Learn, and you can use your control surface or control keyboard to use whichever knob or wheel that you prefer. And now we can move the pitch up. It's just a matter of picking the right pattern, and there we have it.